Hello everyone, myself Neetu. Today I'm going to explain about IoT technology and more connected with 5G connectivity. We're going to learn about 5G connectivity. Introduction. 5G generation wireless technology repeats a significant leap forwarded in connectivity, offering fast data speeds, lower latency, and greater capacity compared to its predecessors. When combined with the Internet of Things, which encompasses a vast network of interconnected devices capable of exchanging data and communicating over the network, 5G opens up new possibilities for innovating across various industries. We'll see the various connectivity is revolutionized IoT by offering fast data speeds, lower latency, real-time monitoring and control with 5G's low latencies. IoT devices can transmit data instantly, allowing for real-time monitoring and control of systems like smart grid, autonomous vehicles, and industrial machineries. Massive IoT development. A massive number of IoT devices in a single area supporting scenarios like smart cities, like millions of connected devices collecting and exchanging data. 5G's faster data speeds provide a better experience for bandwidth extensive IoT applications such as streaming high definition video and surveillance camera or virtual reality applications. IoT applications like autonomous vehicles and remote surgery benefits from 5G's ultra reliable and low latency communication, ensuring data transmission with minimal delay and high reliability. Allowing IoT devices to process data closer to the resource, reducing latency and bandwidth usage while exchanging privacy and security. Overall 5G connectivity in IoT opens up new possibility for innovation across various industries, enabling more efficient operation, improved service and enhancement user experiences. The integration of 5G connectivity, the Internet of Things IoT, marks a significant milestone in the revolution of communication technology. As the next generation of wireless networks, 5G promises to revolutionize how IoT devices connected, communicate, and collaborate using a new era of connectivity and innovation. With its ultra-fast speed data, low transformation, low latency, high capacity, 5G offers a transformative platform for powering a wide area array of IoT applications across industries. From small cities and autonomous vehicles to industry autonomy, automation and healthcare, the sensor between 5G and IoT is poised to reshape our world in profound ways. The explore convergence of 5G connectivity and IoT and implications of this groundbreaking technology fusion. We will dive into 5G enhances the capabilities of IoT devices, enabling real-time data transmission, connectivity, and levels of automation and intelligence. This introduction explores the 5G connectivity, as I said, highlighting the key features, benefits, and implications of this groundbreaking technology fusion. We will dive into how 5G enhances the capabilities of IoT devices, enabling real time data transmission and intelligence. Join us on this journey. 5G, where the boundaries of capabilities are continuing being pushed and future for connectivity is being redefined. Let's see key features of 5G connectivity. Ultra fast data speeds. 5G networks can deliver data speed of up to several gigabytes per second, enabling high bandwidth applications such as streaming 4K videos, virtual reality, and augmented reality experiences. Low latency. With latency reduced to milliseconds, 5G enables real time communication and control essential for latency sensitive IoT applications like vehicles, remote surgery, and industrial automation. High capacity. 5G networks can support a massive number of connected devices per square kilometer, making them deal for dense IoT deployments in urban areas, smart cities, and industrial environments. Network slicing. 5G introduced the concept of network slicing, allowing operations to partition their network infrastructure into virtual slices to specify IoT application, each with its own set of performances, characteristics, and security parameters. Massive machine type communication. 5G enables the development of large scale IoT networks with millions of low power, low cost devices transmitting small amounts of data, such as environmental sensors, smart meters, and asset trackers. Ultra reliable low latency communication. Critical IoT applications require high reliability and ultra low latency, such as industrial automation and remote control systems, can leverage 5G's ultra reliable low latency communication capabilities for mission critical communication. Applications. Smart cities, industrial IoT, healthcare, smart agriculture, transportation, and logistics are the applications for 5G connectivity. Let's see each one. Smart cities. 5G powered IoT technologies enable the creation of smarter, more connected cities by improving public services, optimizing resource utilization, and enhancing urban mobility and sustainability. Industrial IoT. In manufacturing and industrial settings, 5G facilities real time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and automation, leading to increased efficiency, productivity, and safety. Healthcare. 5G enabled IoT devices and applications revolutionize healthcare deliver by enabling remote patient monitoring, telemedicine, consultancies, and surgical procedures regardless of geographic location. Smart agriculture. IoT sensors, drones, and autonomous machinery connected via 5G networks provide farmers with real time insights into crop condition, soil moisture levels, and weather patterns, optimizing agriculture operations and resource management. Transportation and logistics. In the transportation and logistic, Industry 5G enables vehicles to everything communication, autonomous navigation, and predictive maintenance, improving safety, effective, and sustainability. Let's move on to challenges. Infrastructure costs, security and privacy, interoperability, regulator and policy issues, environmental and energy, are the challenges for 5G connectivity. Let's see each one. Infrastructure costs. Deploying and maintaining 5G infrastructure, including small cells, base stations, and fiber optic networks, require significant investment, particularly in rural and undeserved areas. Security and privacy. Protecting IoT devices and data from cyber threats and privacy breaches remains a critical challenge. Necessity robust security protocols, encryption mechanisms, and authentication mechanisms. Interoperability. Ensuring compatibility and seamless integration between different IoT devices, platforms, and communication protocol is essential for realizing the full potential of 5G enabling IoT solution. Regulatory and policy issues. Regulatory frameworks governing spectrum allocation, data privacy, and security vary across regions and may impact the development and adoption of 5G enabled IoT techniques. Environment and energy consideration. As IoT deploys scale up with 5G, there are concerns about the environmental impact and energy consumption of connected devices and highlighting the need for energy efficient designs and sustainable practice. Let's see conclusion. The integration of 5G connectivity with IoT holds immense promise for transforming industries, enhancing quality of life, and driving economic growth. Enhancing quality of life and driving economic growth, however, address the challenges and consideration outlined above with a crucial in unlocking the full potential of the groundbreaking technology convergence. Implementing 5G connectivity in IoT offers several advantages. It enables faster data transaction, lower latency, and increased capacity, allowing for more devices to connect simultaneously. This enhances the efficiency and reliability of IoT applications across various industries, from smart cities to healthcare and manufacturing. Additional 5G support for massive machine type communications and ultra reliable low latency communication opens up new possibilities for real time monitoring, automation, and mission critical applications. However, challenges such as infrastructure deployment cost, security concerns, and interoperability issues need to be addressed for widespread adoption and seamless integration into IoT ecosystems.